Alright guys, so let me take you for a quick tour in the villa where I'm staying here, which is at the Sanctoo Villas and Spa in Bali. A really great and beautiful villa. I haven't seen a villa of this magnificence yet. So let me show you around. So as you enter, this is a beautiful view that you can see. It's a room. All right, let me quickly show you the bathroom. Bathroom is massive. You've heard about regal living. This is how it looks. There's a shower inside. There's a toilet. So this is the bathroom, and then let me take you out. This is where you get to enjoy the most fantastic view. Right, see that? What a great view it is. Beautiful indeed. I'm thinking of taking more of these trips where I can be part of the nature rather than staying in cities and those so-called five-star hotels. I mean, this happens to be a five-star resort, by the way. So I'm thinking of taking more trips like these, where I can be part of the nature, enjoy the tranquility, and at the same time rejuvenate and detoxify myself. So hope you guys do come here and stay in the same place and same resort, which is called the Sanctoo Villa and Spa. It's in Ubud. Ubud is a beautiful place in Bali, so do come and stay here, guys. Amazing resort. It's my second day today. The experience has been amazing. Superb service, great food, great ambience, coupled with fantastic amenities. Alright guys, talk to you soon. Bye bye.